Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel for another episode of Tap Lab. Today we're on Snapchat and we're talking about Snapchat merch. So if you didn't know, Snapchat has its own official merch store. There's two ways that you can access it and it's all within the Snapchat app. The first way is that you can search right here. You can tap on this, then you can search Snap Store. And then you can tap on either of these items. It's going to take you to like this sort of story that goes through the items. Honestly, this is not the best way to do it. You can swipe up on any of these items that you see and purchase them, but there is a better way to access the full official Snapchat store. So what we want to do is tap this icon right here, and then we want to tap the settings icon in the top right corner. And then at the bottom of the screen, you'll see Snap Store. You might need to scroll down to this on certain devices, but go ahead and tap on that. And that's going to take us to the official Snap Store. And this has all of their items in it, and some of these items aren't included in that story that I showed earlier. So we've got this Snapchat plushie for the ghost and the hot dog, a Snapchat mug, a Snapchat Streaks hat. And these two shirts right here are brand new, the Ghost Rainbow Pocket Tee. These are pretty cool. We can swipe over to see some details on these. And you can see within the pocket there's a ghost with that sort of rainbow throw up design. So that's pretty cool, I think. Let's check out the other new pocket tee. So we've got the Wink Face pocket tee. That one's pretty cool as well, and these are both brand new. We've got Snapchat Ghost Ice Cubes, Snapchat Pool Floaty, Snapchat Beach Ball, Snapchat Icon Tee. This one is brand new as well. This one wasn't seen in the other story. And this shirt is really cool looking. I like these small icons, the small pattern on it. You can also tap on the item and then zoom in there so you can see they got a custom Snap Ink tag on it. That's pretty dope. Of course, any of these items, you can scroll down, get all of the details. Then you're gonna hit add to bag if you want to purchase that. You could select your size. That's going to put it in the bag in the top right corner, or you can go to checkout right here. So you can see it's now in the bag in the top right corner. And then to scroll off of any of these items, you just swipe down. So we've got the Wink Face sweatshirt, the keychain, playing cards, a towel, the dog lens tee. That's embroidered, that's pretty cool. Some of these items have been in the shop before, but some of these are new. So there you have it, the Snapchat shop with all the new items in it, how to access it. And then once you pick ones that you want to purchase, you can tap the icon in the top right. That's going to take you to the checkout. Then of course you just put in your credit card and purchase them. I'm gonna remove this item, close this out. And yeah, there's the Snapchat store. I hope you guys found this helpful. Let us know down in the comments what you think of the Snapchat store, what you think of the brand new items. I'm tempted to buy one just to do a review or whatever on it. But that's all I got for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for daily videos. Drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Turn on post notifications, all that good stuff. Check out some of the other Snapchat videos on the channel. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.